Today, we, the opposition MDCs, Honorable MDC from Williamnagar and Honorable MDC from Damas constituency, we have come over here to meet the NGA members who are demonstrating here from long time. That means that is from the 7th of July till date. So we come here to highlight our meetings with His Excellency Governor of Meghalaya on the 1st of August. And whatever we have raised, the issue of GHDC, that means the pending salary due for long 43 months, and then the abruptly adjourning of the GHDC session, and the codification of Garo customary law. With these 3 points, we met Honorable Governor, and then we got a positive response from His Excellency, Governor of Meghalaya. See, this agitation is almost 1 month. Like what I have said, it started from the 7th of July till that. So what we urge the present dispensation, the government of Meghalaya and the present executive committee of GHDC, to please do something for the employees. Whatever they have in their mind, please express, not to be a silent spectator, because almost 1 month these GHDC employees are agitating here, and then no any response from the concerned executive committee and the state government. So what we urge the ruling dispensation to please do something, and then we are just waiting for this week only, and then we'll also come and join with their agitation, and then we'll not do agitation here, we'll do in the office compound. That is very, very clear message.